Night driving is something many drivers fear, and with good reason. Navigating the road at night can be tricky, but with a few hacks you can stay safe and confident on your nighttime journeys. First up, headlights. Make sure they're clean and properly aligned. Misaligned headlights can reduce your visibility and blind oncoming drivers. If your headlights seem dim, consider upgrading to brighter bulbs. Next, use your high beams wisely. They're great for rural areas with no streetlights, but remember to switch to low beams when traffic approaches to avoid blinding other drivers. Speaking of visibility, keep your windshield clean inside and out. Smudges and dirt can create glare from headlights and streetlights, making it harder to see. Use a good glass cleaner and microfiber cloth for best results. Now let's talk about speed. Reduce your speed at night. Your reaction time is slower in the dark and obstacles can appear out of nowhere. Give yourself more time to react. Another tip is to increase your following distance. Tailgating is dangerous anytime, but especially at night when visibility is limited. Keep a safe distance between you and the car ahead. Fatigue can be a major issue during night drives. Make sure you're well rested before hitting the road. If you start feeling sleepy, pull over and take a short nap or grab a cup of coffee. Frequent breaks can make a big difference. You might also want to avoid looking directly at oncoming headlights. The glare can temporarily blind you. Instead, focus on the edge of your lane to guide you. Using your peripheral vision is another great technique. It can help you spot movement and obstacles that your central vision might miss. Lastly, keep your car in good shape. Regular maintenance checks can prevent unexpected breakdowns. Pay attention to your tires, brakes, and fluid levels. A well-maintained car is a safer car. And there you have it, some simple yet effective night driving hacks to keep you safe on the road. Remember, safety first. Drive smart and happy travels. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more useful content. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.